Hey, WealthWise community. It's a pleasure to have you back with us. Today, we're delving into a topic that's not just about numbers and strategies. It's about transforming your financial future. I'm thrilled to present the smartest route to a dazzling $10,000 per month in 2024. So, grab a seat, take some notes, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Number 1. The power of passive income. Understanding passive income. Picture this. You wake up, check your accounts, and realize you've made money while you slept. That's the allure of passive income, the cornerstone of financial freedom. In the complex financial landscape of 2024, understanding and diversifying passive income streams is your gateway to success. Passive income isn't just a buzzword. It's the financial engine that propels you forward. Dividends, a share in the company's profits, can be your silent money-making partner. Investing in dividend-paying stocks and exchange-traded funds provides a steady stream of income, allowing you to reap the rewards of your financial wisdom. Dividends and investments. Now, let's talk numbers. Imagine investing in a company that not only grows but shares its success with you. That's the power of dividends. As your investments compound, your wealth grows exponentially. The key is not just in the investment, but in the patience to let your money work its magic over time. Strategic investments require knowledge and a keen eye for market trends. Diving into high-yield stocks, ETFs, and understanding market indicators becomes your playbook. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll break down the process, guiding you through selecting the right stocks, building a diversified portfolio, and ensuring your financial ship sails smoothly through market fluctuations. Automated online businesses. The digital revolution has given rise to automated online businesses, an arena where you can create, launch, and let the systems work for you. Imagine a business that operates even when you're not actively managing it. From dropshipping to affiliate marketing, the online world presents opportunities that go beyond the 9-to-5 grind. In this section, we'll explore the nuances of online businesses. From choosing the right niche to building a brand that resonates with your audience, we'll guide you through the steps of creating an automated income stream. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where you'll be equipped with the knowledge to turn your digital ventures into a 24/7 cash flow. Number 2. Mastering high-income skills. Identifying high-income skills. The job market is a dynamic landscape, and in 2024, mastering high-income skills is your golden ticket to financial prosperity. We're not just talking about skills. We're talking about the abilities that set you apart in a competitive world. From coding to digital marketing, these skills are not just lucrative. They're in high demand. Let's delve deeper into the realms of high-income skills. Coding, once confined to the tech realm, has become a universal language. Whether you're building websites, developing apps, or diving into the world of artificial intelligence, coding is a skill that opens doors to a multitude of opportunities. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll guide you through the resources and strategies to not just learn but master coding. Freelancing and consulting. Freelancing isn't just about working on projects. It's about becoming a self-sufficient entrepreneur. We'll showcase success stories of individuals who turned freelancing into a thriving career, earning not just an income but building a brand. From graphic design to content creation, we'll explore the diverse avenues of freelancing. Consulting takes freelancing a step further. As a consultant, you're not just providing a service. You're offering expertise. We'll unravel the art of consulting, from finding clients to establishing your authority in the field. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where you'll be equipped to not just freelance but to consult with confidence. Online learning platforms. The learning journey never ends, and in the digital age, online learning platforms are your gateway to continuous improvement. We'll recommend specific platforms and courses that align with high-income skills. Whether it's a comprehensive coding bootcamp or a digital marketing certification, we'll guide you through the process of upskilling. The digital era is a playground of knowledge. From platforms like Coursera and Udacity to industry-specific certifications, we'll explore the multitude of options available. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where you'll not only know where to find the right courses, but how to leverage them for maximum impact on your wealth journey. Number 3. Navigating the digital real estate. Understanding digital real estate. When we talk about real estate, it's not just physical properties. It's about the digital space you occupy, creating and selling online courses, owning profitable websites. This is the new age of real estate, and you're the digital landlord. In this segment, we'll delve into the intricacies of digital real estate and how you can build assets that stand the test of time. Think of your online course as a piece of prime real estate. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll guide you through the process of creating valuable content, designing an engaging course, and marketing it effectively. From selecting the right niche to understanding your target audience, this segment is your blueprint for becoming a digital real estate mogul. Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Affiliate marketing, a symbiotic relationship between you and the products you endorse. In this segment, we'll deep dive into affiliate marketing mastery. From selecting the right products to creating compelling content, we'll provide in-depth strategies to maximize your affiliate income. It's not just about throwing links around. It's about understanding your audience and aligning with products that resonate with them. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll share success stories of affiliate marketers who turned this avenue into a lucrative income stream. By the end of this journey, you'll not just be an affiliate marketer, you'll be a strategist in the digital marketing realm. Creating and selling e-products. Your knowledge is a valuable asset, and turning it into digital products is the epitome of leveraging your expertise. In this segment, we'll guide you through the process of creating and selling e-products. Whether it's an e-book, an online course, or digital art, we'll explore the platforms, tools, and strategies to transform your knowledge into a digital gold mine. Imagine creating an e-book that not only shares your insights but becomes a passive income stream. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll showcase the creation process from ideation to execution. By the end of this segment, you'll not only have the knowledge to create e-products, but the confidence to launch them into the digital marketplace. Number 4. Building wealth through strategic investments. Real estate ventures. Real estate has been a tried and true method of building wealth, and in 2024, it's not just about physical properties. From rental properties to real estate crowdfunding, we'll explore the diverse avenues of real estate ventures. This segment is your guide to making strategic investments and positioning yourself for long-term financial growth. Real estate ventures aren't just about buying a property. It's about understanding market trends, evaluating potential returns, and making informed decisions. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll showcase success stories of individuals who navigated the real estate market with finesse. By the end of this segment, you'll not only understand real estate as an investment but as a strategic move in your wealth-building journey. Cryptocurrency insights. Cryptocurrency, a digital revolution that has disrupted traditional financial landscapes. In this segment, we'll explore the world of cryptocurrency investments, delving into potential risks and rewards. From understanding blockchain technology to navigating the volatile crypto market, we'll provide insights and practical advice to empower your journey into this dynamic space. Cryptocurrency isn't just about Bitcoin. It's about understanding the diverse range of cryptocurrencies, each with its unique features and potential. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll explore success stories of individuals who embraced cryptocurrency and the lessons learned along the way. By the end of this segment, you'll not just be a spectator in the crypto space, but an informed participant. Strategic stock market investments. The stock market, a dynamic arena that can either be a playground or a battleground. In this segment, we'll explore strategies for making strategic stock market investments, from identifying promising stocks to creating a diversified portfolio. We'll guide you through the process of leveraging the stock market for long-term wealth creation. Strategic stock market investments require more than just financial knowledge. They require an understanding of market trends, economic indicators, and the ability to make informed decisions. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll showcase success stories of individuals who navigated the stock market with precision. By the end of this segment, you'll not only be investing in stocks, but strategically positioning yourself for financial success. Number 5. Mastering the wealth mindset. The importance of mindset. Numbers and strategies are essential, but without the right mindset, even the best plans can falter. In this segment, we'll delve into the importance of developing a wealth mindset. It's not just about accumulating wealth. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the principles of prosperity. Developing a wealth mindset starts with understanding and overcoming common mindset traps. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll explore the psychology of wealth, addressing limiting beliefs and empowering you to cultivate a mindset that attracts abundance. By the end of this segment, you'll not only understand the importance of mindset, but have practical strategies to nurture and develop your own wealth mindset. Mindful spending and saving. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about empowerment. In this segment, we'll offer practical tips on mindful spending and saving. We'll explore budgeting strategies that align with your financial goals, introducing concepts like the 50-30-20 rule. Managing your finances isn't just about cutting expenses. It's about making intentional choices that align with your values and goals. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll showcase budgeting tools and apps that can be your allies in achieving financial discipline. By the end of this segment, you'll not only be budgeting, but budgeting with a purpose, channeling your resources toward the life you envision. Continuous learning and adaptability. The journey to wealth is a continuous evolution, and in this segment, we emphasize the importance of continuous learning and adaptability. We'll recommend books and resources that have not just informed but shaped the wealth mindsets of successful individuals. Continuous learning is your secret weapon in a rapidly changing world. Check out our other videos on the WealthWise channel, where we'll delve into book recommendations that transcend financial advice, offering insights into mindset, personal development, and the principles of success. By the end of this segment, you'll not only have a reading list, but a roadmap for continuous growth on your wealth-building journey. And there you have it, WealthWise Warriors, the in-depth exploration of the smartest route to $10,000 per month in 2024. We've covered the realms of passive income, high-income skills, digital real estate, strategic investments, and the wealth mindset. If you've stuck with us through this journey, congratulations! You're not just a spectator. You're an active participant in your financial future. Remember, wealth isn't just about the destination. It's about the journey. It's about evolving, learning, and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of prosperity. If you found this guide valuable, if it has ignited a spark of inspiration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building secrets, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement fuels the community, and together, we're rewriting the rules of financial success. Until next time, stay wealth-wise, stay hungry for knowledge, and keep thriving on your journey to finance.